Hello everyone and welcome back to my new video. You are watching Motivated Investing, and now let's get in this video. Due to the growing popularity of the cryptocurrency market, more and more coins are springing up that aim to carve out a profitable niche for investors. One of those coins is Shiba Inu coin, developed off the back of the great success experienced by Dogecoin. In this article, we'll present our Shiba Inu coin price prediction, covering various timeframes and highlighting how you can invest in the crypto market with 0% commissions. Shiba Inu price prediction 2021 to 2022. If you are interested in a quick Shiba Inu price prediction, then you're in the right place. This section highlights our Shiba Inu coin price forecast over various upcoming timeframes, concluded through in-depth research and analysis of both technical and fundamental factors. The remainder of this article will cover the Shiba Inu coin in great detail, discussing the coin's future outlook and highlighting where the best place to invest in crypto is. 1 month, things in the crypto market seem to be ramping up again. So our Shiba Inu prediction is that the coin may head towards the previous highs of $0.000090 by the end of this month. 3 months, if the highs of June can be broke, expect Shiba Inu to consolidate for a few weeks and then push towards the $0.000001 region. This would represent a 30% increase from the current Shiba Inu price. Start of 2022, given the Shiba Inu price today and the outlook over the next few months, we predict that this coin could be worth $0.000005 by the beginning of 2022. If this were to occur, that would mean returns of over 90% if you were to invest today. Shiba Inu price history, the story of 2021 so far. If you are wondering how to buy cryptocurrency and have your eye on Shiba Inu, then it's a good idea to do your due diligence and research the coin beforehand. This will ensure you have a solid understanding of what the coin is and whether it represents a good investment or not. Firstly, what is Shiba Inu? Shiba Inu is a cryptocurrency created in August 2020 by a person or group called Ryoshi. As people who buy will know, the Shiba Inu dog is the official logo of Dogecoin, which is where the Shiba Inu token got its inspiration. At present, nobody knows who developed and launched Shiba Inu or what its purpose is. According to Coinbase, there is 1 quadrillion Shiba Inu coins in circulation, as the coin is designed to be intentionally abundant. The Shiba Inu platform supports numerous projects such as NFT art and decentralized exchanges. Thus, Shiba Inu does have some practical use cases and serves as much more than an asset designed for speculation. When Shiba Inu first hit the market under the ticker symbol SHIB in May 2021, it reached a price of $0.000039. Although this seems small, it's essential that this is put into context. The difference between the Shiba Inu price live and that price is a whopping 403%, highlighting the price potential for this crypto. The price of the Shiba Inu coin then fell drastically over the next few weeks, losing around 84% of its value by the end of May. A strong support level was formed around the $0.000006 mark, which seems to be holding the price up. Price has been rejected from this level numerous times now, which is excellent news for speculators who have invested in this area. What tends to happen in the crypto market is that smaller coins will follow Bitcoin's lead. In a sense, this means that when many investors buy Bitcoin and its price rises, so too does the price of smaller altcoins. This ripple effect can greatly benefit tokens such as Shiba Inu, as it helps the coin piggyback off of Bitcoin's success. However, if Bitcoin isn't doing too well, it can have the opposite effect. This is what happened during June and July 2021, when momentum for Shiba Inu slowed down and price gradually decreased. Notably, the 7th of August saw some huge bullish volatility for the Shiba Inu coin price, with a 24% increase in 1 day. This surge has given renewed hope for investors, as with the Shiba Inu coin future price begins to look increasingly prosperous. The following sections will dive into our Shiba Inu price prediction 2021 and beyond, helping you make an informed investment decision. As for October 19, 2021, many whales have bought up vast amounts of Shiba Inu, escalated price to $0.00002836 as fear of missing out continues to build behind SHIB. Crypto investors find themselves driving SHIB price further than previous expectations. Shiba Inu price forecast. The next step in our Shiba Inu forecast is to delve into the factors that could influence the coin's price in the future. To ensure we've covered all of the bases, this section will be broken down into technical analysis and fundamental analysis. Through a combination of these elements, our Shiba Inu price prediction will be as thoroughly researched as possible. Technical. Similar to when you buy stocks, it's crucial to examine examine the price chart and note technical factors that can hint at where the price is going. In the case of the Shiba Inu coin, we can see that the bullish surge on the 7th of August 2021 helped the price break out of the falling wedge pattern that it was trapped in. Another great sign is that price has closed outside of this pattern and is consolidating for another push. A strong resistance level is sitting at the $0.000009 mark, which the price has rejected numerous times. However, given the upwards impetus that Shiba Inu is experiencing currently, there's every chance this level could be broken. If so, expect to see Shiba Inu head towards the $0.00001 mark. This would represent a psychological level for the Shiba token, as it's a round number and could provide a base for further growth. Reaching that level from where the price is currently would represent a 38% return on your investment. Furthermore, if this level was broken, these returns could potentially double in the coming months. Fundamental. You may be surprised to know that the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency is much more than a meme coin. In fact, it has various use cases that can be of benefit going forward. Firstly, the Shiba Inu developers have recently launched their Shiba Swap platform, a decentralized exchange where users can trade several digital coins. Although Shiba Swap is focusing on other dog-related cryptos, there is scope for NFTs to be traded on the platform too. Shiba Inu is also now accepted by Shopping.io, a platform that lets users buy goods from places such as Amazon, eBay, and Walmart using crypto. As these places do not directly accept crypto as payment, Shopping.io is an intermediary for people who wish to make their purchases using cryptocurrency. The fact that Shiba Inu is now accepted means that the coin has another practical use case, which is sure to increase its value in the months and years to come. Shiba Inu Price Prediction 2025 Long-Term Outlook. Our Shiba Inu forecast in the future is filled with optimism, which is excellent news for investors. As you can see from the price chart, Shiba Inu has found some solid momentum recently, breaking out of the falling wedge pattern cleanly. When this happens, it usually indicates that some further bullish momentum is likely to occur, which could propel Shiba Inu to the heights we've seen in May and June. Recently, Shiba Inu's developers have listed new pairs on Shiba Swap, adding to the platform's credibility. Furthermore, Shiba Inu has built up a sort of cult following due to its original status as a meme coin, which is bound to help the coin grow going forward. These factors can't be understated when it comes to building hype around a cryptocurrency. If Shiba Inu can capitalize on the current market environment, our Shiba Inu coin price prediction 2025 sees the coin head towards the $0.000038 level, which would represent a 395% increase from today's price. This would require people looking to buy cryptocurrency UK to shift their focus towards Shiba Inu, which is definitely a possibility. Looking even further into the future, our Shiba Inu price prediction 2030 values the coin at the $0.00008 level. This would be a 933% increase from today's price, which is an incredible return for crypto investors. As a disclaimer, it's hard to base this prediction on technical analysis as it would represent levels that price has never been to before. However, given the momentum we have seen in the crypto market before, there's every chance Shiba Inu could reach these heights. Over the next 5 to 10 years, we will likely see a shift away from traditional fiat currencies towards digital alternatives. Furthermore, the emergence of NFTs as a means of exchanging items is massive for Shiba Inu, which is where the developers should place their focus going forward. If these factors all merge, Shiba Inu could represent a fantastic investment opportunity for crypto investors worldwide. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.